Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure ELK stack on VPS for search and dashboards, full guide step by step clearly. To configure the ELK stack on a VPS, begin by accessing your VPS through SSH. Use your preferred terminal and enter the command SSH your username at your VPS IP. Once connected, update your package lists by running sudo apt update. Next, upgrade existing packages with sudo apt upgrade y. To install Java, which is required by Elasticsearch, run sudo apt install openjdk11jrey. Verify the Java installation by typing Java version. Now, it's time to install Elasticsearch. Add the Elasticsearch GPG key with get qo https://artifacts.elastic.co/gpg-key. Next, add the Elasticsearch apt repository by running echo deb https://artifacts.elastic.co/pack. Update the package lists again, sudo apt update. Install Elasticsearch with sudo apt install Elasticsearch y. Enable and start the Elasticsearch service using sudo systemctl enable Elasticsearch. Then, start it with sudo systemctl start Elasticsearch. Check if Elasticsearch is running properly by entering curl-x get localhost 9200/. Now, proceed to install Logstash. Install it by running sudo apt install Logstash y. We will now configure Logstash to accept logs. Create a new configuration file and /etc/logstash/confd/logstash.conf. Open the configuration file using sudo nano /etc/logstash/confd/logstash.conf. Within the file, start by defining the input section for your logs. For example, to use a beats input, add input beats port equals 5044. Next, set up the filter section if needed. Then, define the output section to send logs to Elasticsearch. Add output Elasticsearch hosts equals localhost 9200. Save and exit the nano editor. Now, enable and start Logstash using sudo systemctl enable Logstash. Follow that by running sudo systemctl start Logstash. Next, it's time to install Kibana for visualization. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.